Stop blaming your age for your joint pain. If you are experiencing any of these three signs, your knee isn't just getting older, it is actively wearing out. Number 1, you can hear it. If your knee makes a grinding, crunching, or popping sound when you climb the stairs, like sandpaper rubbing together, that is often a sign of bone rubbing on bone, not just a passing ache. Number 2, it is messing with your sleep. Normal everyday soreness settles down when you rest. But if your joint pain is severe enough to wake you up in the middle of the night, your cartilage is sending a serious distress signal. Number 3, your world is shrinking. If you find yourself skipping family outings, avoiding the grocery store, or you can't even walk a single block without needing to sit down, that is a mechanical failure in the joint. It is not normal aging. These are warning signs, and the longer you wait, the fewer options we have to save the joint. If you are experiencing any of these three signs, comment the word pain down below and I'll send you my free daily checklist to help you relieve joint stiffness at home.